YouTube, man, it is your boy Hollywood Troy back with yet another video, you guys, and we are going to be checking out a late review of the recently released Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago. Let's get it. All right, family, the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago is finally here. Now, I did miss out on the highs. This sneaker right here is filling in that gap. We all know that the high are legendary, resale is crazy, and the hype is through the roof. I didn't get it, but this low with the same DNA is a little bit more wearable, and honestly, it is still sitting in stores, but you can go ahead and grab today. The leather feels solid, color blocking is iconic, varsity red, summoned white, black swoosh is Chicago through and through. It's like the high's little brother, but one that doesn't need to prove itself. Nike Air branded on the tongue, Wings logo stamped on the heel, true to size fit, crisp stitching. This isn't a watered down GR, it's an OG low retro. But like I did say before, that these sneakers are still sitting in stores. You can still go ahead and pick these sneakers up right now today. The highs of course vanish instantly, but the lows you can go ahead and walk in your local Foot Locker, JD Sports, Shoe Palace, whatever store that retail stores out there wherever you live at, and just snag you a pair. The sneaker did come double tissue papered. Might be actually doing a lace swap with the sneaker as well. Might be either throwing in a white lace or probably a cream colored lace, and probably do on foots and stuff with the different color laces. If not, I'll at least do some B-roll shots with the different color laces in them so you guys can see what they look like with different color laces. But as I was saying, between the highs that are hype and the lows are just more accessible. Honestly, sneaker cultures need that balance. All right, everything should be gate kept by resale. High or low, man, what team are you guys on? Drop it in the comment section down below. Smash that like button as well, and subscribe for more deep dives. Chicago's forever.